Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Festival will be conducted in the hybrid format where there will be movies screened in the auditorium and some of the sections are curated for the online platform. The chief guest for the festival, the Sudeep Sanjeev, better known as the Sudeep, is a film actor, director, producer, screenwriter, television presenter and a singer who primarily works in Kannada language films. In addition to this appearance in the Telugu, Hindi and Tamil language films. The Lifetime Achievement Award winners is an Italian cinematographer. It is an Vicarial Storio be honored with a prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. The focus country for this year is in Bangladesh. The festival will be celebrated the 100-year legendary film icon, the Bharat Ratna late Sri Satyajit Ray. Total 60 countries have participated. There will be close to around 119 screenings will be happen in a physical format, out of which the 85 are premiere movies that includes the international and national movies. Opening movie will be the another round and the closing movie which will be the Wife of Spy.
इफ्फीचा उक्तावणाचा सुवाळो ऑनलायनूय पळोवपाक मेळटलो.
और इफ्फी के उद्घाटन और बाकी कार्यक्रमों के लिए लोग जिनको सुरक्षित दूरी और मास्क के साथ जगह मिलेगी वो आएंगे. बाकी लोग और गोवा के बाहर के लोगों को ऑनलाइन भी इसका दर्शन होगा तो ऑनलाइन लेना है, लेकिन सभी लोग एक अच्छा फिल्म फेस्टिवल होगा ये निश्चित है.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट प्रूडेंट.